December was dreary and the San Diego real estate numbers are out. Let's get into it. But first, if you're new here, my name's Spade at Keller Williams Realty. I make all these videos to help you make sense of the real estate market. You do me a huge favor, please click the subscribe button. Also click that little bell so you can be notified every single time we drop fresh new content. And if you found value in this video, chances are someone else will too. So please share it with them. All right, let's go over the numbers. Now, in November of 2024, the average price for a home in San Diego County was $1,113,212. That dropped 21% to $1,090,921. That was a steep decline in the average price for a home. Will we see those numbers go back up in January? My guess is yes, because we are seeing more people enter the market. Remember, I told you this before, serious buyers buy and serious sellers sell in that fourth quarter of the year, which means we always do see a little bit of a dip, but a lot of people wanted to close by December 31st for tax purposes. Now let's take a peek at the median price for a home. That dipped as well, but not as much. So the median price for a home in November of 2024 was $867,750. It dropped in December of 2024 to $860,000. Not too much of a drop, that's 6.8%, but nonetheless, the numbers did go down. This is a number that went up, but it's not a number we want to go up. The average market time. So the average market time jumps from 37 days in November of 2024 to 41. Now that is a 28% increase. What does that mean? That means homes sit on the market an average of 41 days before they go under contract. What's that number going to look like in January? Well, houses are starting to trickle out. We did see a lot of homes expire at the end of December, which was just 6 days ago. So a lot of those homes have not come back to the market. Smart sellers are waiting till probably about next week to put those houses back on because they know that everybody is just coming back in after the holiday, and so they're going to be starting their journey of looking again. And those people who now have to get pre-approved because they kind of gave up about 90 days ago, they're going to be coming back in. I'm suspecting that we'll see that number go down over the next month, and by the spring that number will probably be cut in half. The price per square foot went down by 5% from $638 per square foot in November of 2024 to $623 per square foot in December of 2024. Now the number of active listings, this is total listings on the MLS, so this includes what has come to market and what was on the market. So in November of 2024, there were 4,837 active listings. In December of 2024, there were 3,753, which is a 22.4%. Now that does mean some of the houses did go under contract, so that's a good thing, and some of those houses did sell. However, there were a lot of people pulling their homes off the market, particularly the last 2 weeks of the year. This is a seasonal decline that we see. Nothing to be alarmed about. Again, those homes that did not sell will probably be coming back on in the next week or so. Now, the number of new listings, that dropped dramatically too, from 2,159 down to 1,426. Again, it's a seasonal slowdown, but these numbers, that is significant. That's almost 700 listings less than the previous month before. So there is a really big decline, but again, some people just wanted it on in December so that way they could be in January. Not everybody needed to close by the end of December, but now there's a lot of people who want to close right after the first of the year, and they just wanted a serious buyer under contract. The last 2 weeks of the year have been busy for me, so I've been writing contracts for clients. It's busy, so we're going to see these numbers change in January, and I think they'll probably go up. The number of pending sales also went down, 1,710 pending sales in November of 2024. That dropped to 1,412, and the number of sold homes in November of 2024 was 1,816. That dipped to 1,709. So tell me, what do you think is happening in the San Diego real estate market? What are you seeing? Are you getting ready to buy in 2025? Is this going to be your year? Please comment below. Let me know if you have any questions. My phone number is right at the bottom of the screen. Feel free to send me a text message or just reach out here and I will be happy to connect with you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.